Hi guys, this is the unboxing of the MPOW wireless receiver and transmitter. It's MPOW wireless audio transmitter and receiver BH390B is this one, European, or you can also get BH390A, which is the global model. Now this is the unboxing. Just to let you know, this is by far the best audio 3.7 volt mini audio receiver transmitter, second to none. The only other one, I've created a DIY video of the ML100, which is the one MII version. Again 3.7 volt. I've also created a DIY model, stuck a 3.7 21700 battery on there, so I've got a lifetime battery mode. So let's do the unveiling. So basically, again, the quality on this packaging is again second to none and beautiful. It comes with a USB cable. It's a micro USB lead. Also comes with a two-way or a double-sided mil 3.5mm extension lead for your transmitter mode, and then it comes with your RCA, double RCA lead with a 3.5mm female extension lead or adapter for your audio devices, for your hi-fi, your audio devices really. And then the MPOW 390 BH390 flashes blue for your receiver mode, flashes green for your transmitter mode. Now what I've found, not just to use as a portable MP3 device or a Bluetooth device, you can actually use this as a transmitter or a receiver depending on what mode you like using it for. But on a closed system or a closed server, such as work, a laptop that's on a closed system, you can't use external devices. You can't just plug in your Bluetooth wireless headset or plug in an external device, because it's a closed system. It won't allow you to download the drivers. So you stick this into your 3.5mm port into your laptop with a double-sided male extension cable, so into the BH390, and then the other side into the laptop. Use it as a on the transmitter mode, and then you receive your audio transmission from your closed system laptop at work, for example, into your headset, and that way you get round the secure part set up by your IT provider at work. So it comes in really handy, guys. I've created a DIY with the ML100 and the MPOW, this device, the BH390. I've created a DIY and attached an 18650 battery, also the 21700 version, which I get about 3 weeks life, non-stop battery life. So that's 3 weeks non-stop battery life. Watch my other videos. So that's it really. MPOW BH390, over and out.